नमस्काराः। केन्द्रीयविद्यालयः वायुसेनास्थलम् आवडी चेन्नै प्रस्तौति संस्कृतशिक्षणं कक्षा अष्टमी विषयः संस्कृतम्। पाठ्यपुस्तकं रुचिरा तृतीयो भागः पञ्चमः पाठः कण्टकेनैव कण्टकम्। इदानीं पाठस्य पठनं विवरणं च। एषा एका लोककथा भवति। अयं पाठः कथारूपेण वर्तते। इयं कथा लोककथा भवति। This lesson is in the form of a story. This is a folk story. परन्तु अस्याः शैली पञ्चतन्त्रस्य शैली इव अस्ति. Even though it is a folk story, the style of the story is like the style of the Panchatantra story. नरः चातुर्येण एवं प्रत्युत्पन्नमतिना. नरः a man, चातुर्येण with his cleverness, pratyutpannamatina, timely applying the sense, timely sense, yasmat kasmadapi, with this skill, from any of the trouble, sankatat Muktaha bhavitum arhati, can get rid of any kind of the trouble with his cleverness. That is what the main idea of the lesson. एतावत् पर्यन्त कथा। एकः व्याधः, व्याधस्य नाम चञ्चलः। सः वने पशु मृग पक्षीणां ग्रहणेन यद्धनं लभते तद्धनं जीविकारूपेण स्वीकृत्य परिवारस्य पोषणं करोति। एकस्मिन् दिने वने जालं प्रसारयति, गृहम् आगच्छति। परस्मिन् दिने यदा गच्छति तस्मिन् दिने सः पश्यति तत्र जाले व्याघ्रः बद्धः आसीत्। यदि जालं स्वीकरोति व्याघ्रः तं खादिष्यति। यदि स्वजीवनम् इच्छति तर्हि जालस्य त्यागं करणीयं। जीवनं प्राधान्यं। जालस्य त्यागकरणं निश्चित्य सः धावनार्थं प्रयत्नं करोति। तदा व्याघ्रः तं पृच्छति, भो मानव, मां जालात् निस्सारय, तव कल्याणमस्तु, अहं त्वां न खादिष्यामि इति वदति। वाचं श्रुत्वा विस्मित्य सः व्याघ्रं जालात् निस्सारयति। व्याघ्रः जलमिच्छति, व्याधः जलं ददाति। व्याघ्रः जलं पिबति, पीत्वा वदति, इदानीम् अहं बुभुक्षितः, त्वां खादिष्यामि। व्याधः वदति, अरे व्याघ्र, त्वया वचनं दत्तं, प्रतिज्ञा कृता, त्वं मां न खादिष्यसि इति, इदानीं खादिष्यामि इति वदसि, त्वया मिथ्या भणितं। व्याघ्रः वदति, अरे मूर्ख, सर्वः स्वार्थं समीहते. So far story of the lesson, Vyadha is an hunter. That hunter is hunting all the animals and birds. He is getting his livelihood. One day he spread the net in the forest. Next day when he comes, unfortunately he sees a tiger is caught in the net, and he wants to take the net. Then tiger will kill him. So he decided to leave the net and run away. That time the tiger saw this hunter and told, "Oh hunter, please set me free from the net. I will not kill you, believing that the hunter freed the tiger from the net, and the tiger wanted water. The hunter helped the tiger to drink water. After that, gaining the energy, the tiger said, "Now I am hungry, I am going to eat you." Then the hunter told, "You made me promise that you will not eat, and you told lies, and now you are trying to eat me." Then tiger told, "Arey, everybody will be selfish only. When we want our work is to be done, and we need not think of the words given. Sarvaha Swartam Samihate." The hunter went to the river and asked. The river also says the same thing. Yes, Swartam Sarvaha Samihate. And he went and asked the Vriksha. There also the Vriksha says, "People are taking rest in my shadow. People are eating the fruits. Even then also, when they need, they cut me and take everywhere, wherever they want." So nobody is thinking of others. Everybody is selfish only. Then Vyada is in the condition of, the hunter is in the condition of what to do and what not to do. That time when he was talking all those things with this tree, a Lomashika was behind some bushes and it heard the story. समीपे एका लोमशिखा गुल्मानां पृष्ठे निलीना वार्तां शृणोति स्म. The conversation which was going between the vriksha and this hunter was heard by a jackal which was hiding there in bushes. He listened to that and it started talking. On seeing the pitiable condition of the hunter, the jackal decided to help him. It asked, "Ka varta? Mamapi vignapaya?" What is the matter, hunter? Let me also know that one, so that I can help you. The hunter was also in need of some support to escape from the tiger. He thought this intelligent one will help us. So when you need the help from others, you have to feel the intimacy with them. So you have to call them as if you people are so familiar with each other. So he called Matrusvasaha Avasare Samagatavati. Oh, my dear cousin like one, you have come in right time. This tiger is trying to eat me. And he told all the stories right from the beginning. What happened? And he told, this tiger is trying to eat me and it is not grateful. This tiger was about to die because it was caught in the net and it was so tired with its throughout the night try to come out. It was not successful, tired. So it was about to die. It was thirsty and I helped this tiger to get water. After getting the water, it forgot the word which it has given. It forgot the promise made and Maya asya vyagrasya pranaha rakshitaha. I have saved the life of this tiger in this way, but I kept the word. I saved the life of this tiger, but the tiger is not ready to keep his word. It told that it would not eat me. Now, after gaining the energy, it is telling, Param yeshaha mameva khaditum ichchati. But this tiger wants to eat me, who saved the life of this tiger, but this tiger is putting the life of me in challenge. What should I do? And it is telling Sarvaha Swartam Samihide, everybody is selfish only. So you are my food in front of me and I want to eat you. I am so hungry. So it's telling like that. What to do? I don't know. Vyadasya vachanam shrutva Lomashika avadat. After hearing the words of the hunter, this jackal told, Bhadam, of course. What the tiger telling is correct only. Everybody is selfish only. Sarvaha swartam samihate. There is no doubt at all. Tiger is right. So, what do you do now? Tvam jalam prasaraya. You spread the net. You listen to me. You do what I say. Then the tiger will understand. Tvam jalam prasaraya. You spread the net. The hunter also did as the jackal told. So he spread the net. Idanim Lomashika Vyagram Vadati. Now Lomashika is talking with the tiger. Kena prakarena tvam jale baddhaha iti pratyaksham drashtumichami tat jale pravisha. It's telling, hey tiger, I want to see how you are caught in the net. Unless I see everything clearly with my eyes, that is pratyaksham, I cannot give the judgment. So now this fellow has spread the net. That is the first step. Then how you caught into the net, that I want to see. So how you entered in the net yesterday, previous day, in the same manner now you go inside the net. I want to see that how you were caught in this net. So get into the net again. Then as per the instructions of this jackal, the tiger also got into the net. Idanim Lomashika vadati Vyagram. He Vyagra, Jale Baddanat Anantaram Tushnim na Tishtasi. Tasmat Bahihi Agantum Prayatnam Kritavan Asit Eva. Yada Prayatnam Kritavan Tata Idanimapi Prayatnam Kuru. The jackal is telling, O tiger, after got into the net, caught in the net, definitely would have not kept quiet. You would have tried your level best to come out of the net. So what are all the tricks you did yesterday to come out of the net, to become tired, that now you should do and show me. Samprati punaha punaha kurdanam kritva darshaya. Kurdanam, jumping. Now you try jumping again and show me how you jumped and how you were tightly caught in the net. That I want to see now directly. After caught well in the net, Badnat Anantaram Vyagraha Yanchati Bho Vyadha Aham Klantaha Mam Jalat Mochaya. Oh hunter, I am very much tired. Please set me free from the net. It tried itself and it was not able to come out. That's what happened earlier also. Like earlier, now also it is requesting him, Oh hunter, you please save me, save my life, set me free from this net. It is requesting again and again, but the hunter is not ready to do this time. Now the Lomasika told the Vyagra, Lomasika Vyagram Badati, Hey tiger, what you said is right. Bho Vyagra Satyam Tvaya Bhanitam. You have told the truth. Sarvaha Swartam Samihate. Everyone wants to be selfish only. If this Vyadaha hunter is generous now, again you will try to attack him. So if this fellow wants to be selfish and if he goes away without helping you, then he will be safe, you will be in trouble. So sarvaha swartam samihate. Everybody wants to be selfish only. Now this is the turn of the hunter. Now the hunter is going to be selfish by not helping you. So sarvaha swartam samihate. After making the promise, you are trying to kill him. That is your bad quality and bad attitude. Kantakam. Kantakam is thorn. Kantakam is a thorn. If a thorn gets into your any leg or hand in the body, again you will use another thorn like thing to remove that from your body. So kantakam, kantakena eva. The kantakam can be removed. A thorn or anything which get into the body can be removed with an instrument like sharp edged needle like a thorn only. So the bad is the treatment for the bad. Good is the treatment for the good. Kantakam is kantakenaiba. A thorn can be removed only by a thorn like instrument. So sarvaha swartam samihate. You showed your bad attitude towards the hunter who helped and who saved your life. Now he is repeating that he is now Swartam samihate. So sarvaha swartam samihate kantakena eva kantakam durikaraniyam bhavati. Now the hunter happily went home without any trouble for his life, and he showed his gratitude and thanked the jackal for saving his life. Idanim abhyasartam abhyasa prashnaha. For the practice we have exercise questions. Ka gulmanam prishte nilina asit. Who was that hiding behind the bushes? Ka. Ka. Who? Lomashika. Here the prashnavachaka words are colored with red. That means they are the question words. For that you have to write the answer. So your answering will be in the place of the question word. You will put that answer Lomashika. Then your answer will be Lomashika gulmanam prishte nilina asit. You have to write like that. Lomashika kutra nilina asit. In the place of kutra, where? Gulmanam prishte. Gulma is bushes. So vyadaha lomashikam katam sambodhayati matrusvasaha iti sambodhayati. Kasya pranaha vyagrasya pranaha. Kasyai nikhilam katham neve. To whom he told the story? Lomashikayai. Vrittantam katham drashtumaichat. Lomasita wanted to see all the happenings. How? Pratyaksham, directly. Kena shrantaha. Vyagra become tired. How? Anaratam kurdhanena shrantaha. Kam samihate sarvaha swartham samihate. Kim bhanitam satyam bhanitam. Kam pranabhikshaya ayachada vyadam pranabhikshaya ayachata. इदानीं पाठस्य पर्यायवाचिनः. समीपे पर्यायवाची पार्श्वे. The meaning is near. Nilina nigudha, meaning is hiding. Varta vishayaha, meaning is matter or news. Avasare, meaning samaye, English meaning is in time. Nikhilam paryayam sampurnam, the meaning is entire, matlab completely all. Anaratam satatam, meaning continuously. Idanim viloma padani. Rakshitaha arakshitaha. Rakshita protected, arakshita not protected. Avasare in time. Na avasara becomes anavasara. Anavasare not in time. Sahayaha help or helpful. Nissahayaha helpless. Mitrani priyachatraha. Anena ayam pataha samaptaha bhavati. Kantakenaiva kantakam. Kantakam is a thorn. A thorn gets into your body, can be removed with another thorn or the thorn like sharp edged instrument only. With that only you can do. So Kantakenaiva kantakam. Bad is a treatment for bad, good is a treatment for the good. So with this lesson is finished, and we'll meet again with the abhyasa question answers of this lesson. तब तक धन्यवादं व्याहरामि। तव संस्कृतशिक्षकः को रघुनाथः, केन्द्रीयविद्यालयः, वायुसेनास्थलम् आवडी। धन्यवादं पुनः व्याहरामि। धन्यवादाः।